Scooter here with Rainey's. There's no doubt that the Eaton Fuller transmissions are the most efficient heavy-duty manual transmissions for your rig. The only possible problem is that the shifter is kind of hard to look at. Rainey's has got you covered. Check out this custom shift SuperKit by ShiftTopperz. Get in here and check this out. This custom shifter kit contains everything you need to add some style to your air-assisted shifter. It boosts the style of your cab and even allows for a custom shift knob to be attached. Included in the box, you're going to get an OEM air shift handle, a ShiftTopperz adapter, a replacement skirt, and a selector cover. The necessary screws for installation are also included. This SuperKit is made with robust, sturdy materials and features durable metal threading. But does it fit your transmission type? This SuperKit will fit a 910 speed, a 7LL 15 speed, an 18 speed, and a 13 speed. You can find more in-depth information about these installations on our website. However, this SuperKit does not fit 1.5-inch shifters from SH2, so keep that in mind. It comes in shining chrome and a sleek black finish, whichever suits your desired look better. This ShiftTopperz Custom Shift SuperKit is the perfect remedy for increasing your Eaton Fuller shifter shine. If you want a functional and affordable upgrade to your rig, then pick up one of these for yourself by visiting us in-store or at Raineys.com. Or, if you're looking for a different upgrade to your cab, why not check out these floor mats in this video right here.